Hello everybody, and thank you for being here. Today I'm going to show you a hairstyle that I like doing because I think it looks very pretty and very romantic like. So if you want to see how I do it, please stay and watch. Thank you. To start, I want to say that this is a half wig, and I have a video about how to put on a wig or a half wig without looking fake. So if you want to see that video, I'm going to put a card, I think that's how they call it, right here, so you can just click there and go see that video if you're interested. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is part my hair to the side. And I'm gonna try to put all my hair to the side. And if you have long hair, you don't have to wear a wig. I don't have long hair, so that's why I'm putting on this wig. And because this wig looks so awesome with my makeup today, so that's why. Get your bands. Me, I'm leaving this side because I have to cover the half wig, but you don't have to do this. Okay, now we're going to start braiding. So we're going to divide the hair in two parts. As equal as possible. We're going to take a little of the right side and cross it over and put it on the left side. And I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to take some from the back and I'm going to cross it over and put it on the right side. And we still have the two parts, okay? So let's do it again. A little from the back on the right side, and we put it on the left side. We take some from the back on the left side and we put it on the right side. We're gonna do this until the very end. I'm going to take this elastic band to secure the braid. I'm going to try to loose the braid by pulling it up a little bit, not much. Okay, now with the braid, I'm gonna go ahead and try to make a circle. And I'm gonna hold it with bobby pins. And when I made a circle, I'm gonna make sure to hide the elastic band that it doesn't get shown. Put my hair down or free my bands. And as you can see, I had all this loose hair that I have to take care of, don't worry. I'm gonna take this loose hair and put it in there with some bobby pins. I had a bag there, so I think I have to fix that too. I'm gonna pull some hair. I'm going to curl my bands. So now that I got the braid, I'm gonna go and do a circle, but this way. And I'm gonna secure it with bobby pins. Let me show you. See, this is on the sides. And if you want to, you can just leave it as sorry, you can just leave it as that. I think it looks pretty enough too, but it's up to you. And this is it for today. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what is it that you think in your comments, because I like to read those. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.